Now this question
Yes, sir.
is f a b c d equal to sigma 0 1 2 6 8 9 10. So after this we have made a k map, we have drawn the k map. We'll fill these places by ones, these designations 1 0 1 2 6 8 9 10. This we have filled. The rest places we will fill zeros. We don't have to leave it. We have to fill. Even we are not going to do anything with this, but it is to be filled. All right. Now, first of all, we will look for uh, octet and rolling octet. So there is no possibility of group of 8 elements. So we will look for group of 4 elements. So this 0 1 and 8 9 on rolling, it is the coed. All right, children. Then if we look at 0 2 10 and 8, all 4 corners are also coed. On rolling, if you roll it twice, so if you roll it from left to right, so the 0 and 2 will come together with 8 and 10. All right. So like this 0 2 adjacent हो जाएंगे और 8 10 adjacent हो जाएंगे. Now if you just see the rolling like this, it will become again adjacent and make a coed. Is this clear, children?
Yes, sir.
And then 2 6 is one pair. All right. So f 0, sorry, f nahi, sigma 0 1 8 9 is coed, and the answer of sigma 0 1 8 9 is, if you look at the left of 8 and 9, the 0 and 8, these two, b complement is constant, and if you look at the top of 0 and 1, c complement is constant. The next coed is 0 2 8 10. Okay. And now if you look at the top of 0 and 2, top of 0 and 2 is this. So, and 0 and 8. So we here 0 and 8 b complement is constant. Left of 0 and 8 and top of 0 and 2 is d complement, which is constant. And this pair you can easily identify. 2 6 is pair. 2 6, left of 2 and 6 is a complement, which is constant, and the top of this 2 and 6 c bar c d complement, and final expression is b complement c complement plus b complement d complement plus a complement c d complement. All right.
Yes, sir.
फाइन. हाँ तो बच्चों ये वाला दूसरा एग्जांपल देखिए. 3 4 5 7, 3 4 4 5 7 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, what did you did? What you have done? Which group you have taken?
So 4, 5, 12, 13 is coed.
Just a minute. 4 5, 12, 13 is squared, right?
3, 7, 15, 11 is also quad.
3, 7, 15, 11 is a quad.
The
So
12 and
12,
14 is
13.
rolling pair.
So 12, 13, 15, 14 are also a quad.
This is also quad, right? So
तो
this,
रेटरेंट पेयर होगा ना ये?
see, first of all we look for the octet, ठीक है, then rolling octet, then quad, then rolling quad, pair, and then rolling pair. Now after looking for this all quads, we have not reached, there is no element which is not part of any group. All the elements are part of one or other group, so we will not go for pair. Always we will try to make a bigger group. Fine.
Yes sir.
All right. So if you have understood, we can write the expressions. Now we'll write this group is sigma 4, 5, 12, 13. Sigma 4, 5, 12, 13, we have to look in this two group. B is constant and C bar, D bar and C bar D. C bar is constant. Then this one sigma 3, 7, 11, 15. In this, CD is constant on the top, because left, if you see, everything is changing. Either A is changing or B is changing, so we will not go for that. Then 12, 13, 14, 15. So here, this one, left hand side, AB is constant throughout. So the final expression will be BC bar plus CD plus AB. Alright, this will be the answer. Fine. So the next question,
Yes, sir, हो गया.
yes, FABCD equal to sigma 3, 5, 7, 9. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. Then rest places 0 is there. So if we try to make group, the first group which we can see is this. And second group is this. And what about other group? How this 5 will be part of any other group? Here we can make this 5, 7, 13, 15. Alright. And then here we can take 9 with okay. So there are 4 quads. First one is sigma 3, 7, 11, 15. And if you look at the top of this, CD is constant throughout. So CD will be taken. The next group is 12, 13, 14, 15. Looking at the left of this, AB is constant throughout. And the next group is 5, 7, 13, 15. If you look at the left of 5 and 13, B is constant, and the top of 5 and 7, these two, D is constant. Then the next group is 9, 11, 13, 15. If you look at the left of 9 and 13, A is constant, and the top of 9 and 11, D is constant. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No child is having any doubt. This one was very easy. So here is the expression. Fine. Let's go ahead. Sir, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Only 2 zeros are here. ठीक, चलिए 2 जीरो हैं. So the first of all, you can on rolling you can see there are 8 group elements which can come together on rolling. All right. Then these are also 8 elements which are grouped together. Right. Now if I look for this one can form this group, octet, and with the 14 can go with the next 3 element which is adjacent to it. This grouping is any problem?
No, sir.
So first of all, octet, we look at for the octet 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. If you look at the left of this octet, this side, all A and B is changing. So we have to look for these two. So only D is constant. Okay. In the pair, 1 variable is reduced. In the quad, 2 variables is reduced. In the octet, 3 variables are reduced. All right. The next group is on rolling 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is giving you from the top C and D all are changing. We will have to look for the left hand side of it. So from the left hand side, we have to see this A bar, B bar and A B bar. So B bar is constant. Then we look for the pair, quad 0, 1, 4, 5 is a quad. So for the 0 and 4, this A bar, B bar and A bar, B, these two, A bar is constant. And here from these C bar, D bar and C bar, D, C bar is constant. Then the last group is 10, 11, 14, 15. So 11 and 15 left hand side A is constant, and 11 and 10 top if you see C is constant. So this way we got all the groups. Then the result we will write with logical OR operator. ठीक है? So this will be the answer.